Here are 5 things you didn't know about Balaam's donkey that reveal God's incredible power. First, this humble donkey could see what the prophet couldn't. While Balaam was completely blind to danger, his donkey saw the angel of the Lord standing in their path with a flaming sword ready to strike. Second, the donkey saved Balaam's life 3 times. Each time she refused to move forward, she was protecting her master from certain death, even though he beat her for it. Third, when the donkey finally spoke in perfect human language, Balaam argued with her like it was completely normal. He was so angry he didn't even question how his animal was talking. Fourth, the donkey showed more wisdom than the prophet himself, asking, "Have I ever done this to you before?" This simple question revealed years of faithful service. Fifth, God chose an ordinary farm animal to rebuke his own prophet, proving he can use anyone or anything to speak his truth and accomplish his purposes.